Hey guys, today we're going to learn Wipeout by the Ventures. The first thing we're going to do with Wipeout, if you looked at the bad guy video, it's a kind of a similar motion to that, but we're going to start on the 3rd fret of the A string. And we're going to go 3rd fret, 1st fret, and then 3rd fret on the low E string. So, and you're going to play each one twice. So 3 times there, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's try that again. All right, and we're going to do that twice. All right, now let's try to do it 4 times, because in this song we're going to do that 4 times in a row. And this motion that you just learned is basically the same motion with one little exception at the end that you'll do the whole song. So let's try that again. 4 times this time. 1, 2, ready, go. And we're going to stop right there on the last time, because what we're going to do is we did our 1, 2, 3 on the A string. Normally we're going to move up to the D string and do our 1, 2, 3 there. And then we start into the next thing. 3rd, 1, 3. So D to A, just like that. So you've got this one, first one, this is the second one, and then the last one's just going to be this one. So first, second, third. And you're going to move that position around. So let's go through that really, really slowly, starting with the first one. And remember, we do it 4 times. When we lead into the second one, we're going to do our 1, 2, 3, just like that. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Move to the next. Back to the first. To the third. And now this is the different part. We're going to do a walk down. So we're going to go 5, 4, 3, and then we start into our second position. And then we finish with the first one. Then we end with a C bar chord. So the whole thing, real slow. 1, 2, ready, go. First. Move to the second. Back to the first. To the third. with this one, you really want to use alternate picking to get up to the speed of the recording. So the speed of the recording is somewhere around this. And keep working at it until you pick up your speed. You'll gradually do that, but make sure that you're using different fingers. If you try to play this with only one finger, it's going to take you a lot longer. So use all three of your fingers. So first finger for first fret, second finger for second fret, third finger for third fret, and then when you move up to this position, you're going to use your first for the third fret, second for the fourth, and third for the fifth. Alright guys, leave any comments that you have or any requests that you have in the comment section below. If you like my videos, click subscribe above, and see you next time.